Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your budgeting plan with SoFi, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your budgeting plan using SoFi, start by downloading the SoFi app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log in to your account. If you do not have an account, create one by providing your email address and setting a password. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting section of the app. Review your current budget to identify areas that need adjustment. Tap on the Edit Budget option to begin modifying your plan. Set specific financial goals for the upcoming months. Consider factors like income changes, expenses, and savings objectives. Utilize the budgeting tools provided within the app to categorize your expenses. Allocate funds to each category based on your financial goals and priorities. Make sure to include savings as a key component of your budget. Check for any subscriptions or recurring expenses that may need reevaluation. Adjust your spending limits in each category according to your updated goals. Review the budget summary to ensure everything aligns with your financial objectives. Once satisfied with the adjustments, save your new budget. Use the budgeting features regularly to track your spending against your new plan. Take note of any patterns in your spending and make further adjustments as needed. Stay flexible and revisit your budget monthly to keep it relevant to your financial situation. Take advantage of SoFi's tools and resources to continue enhancing your financial wellness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.